Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to get a 2-month free extension on your Microsoft 365 subscription. Now this may not apply to everyone, but I'll show you how to check your account to find out. So log into your Microsoft account and go to the Subscriptions tab. Then click on Manage. It'll open this section. And then click on Cancel Subscription. Don't worry, we're not going to cancel the subscription. And it'll bring you to this page where you'll see this section if you're eligible for a free extension. Then click on Get 2 free months and you'll see the dialog box pop up. Click on Confirm and it'll begin the process of verifying your payment code and then bring you here. Click on Back to Subscription. And as you can see, my Microsoft 365 subscription has been extended for 2 months until February 14th, 2026. You'll also get an email confirmation, but that's pretty much it. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.